today is the birth anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak. When we read about this great personality, his slogan, he, freedom is our right and I will fight for it. हे जे थंय म्हणलें तें म्हाका दिसता आज इज व्हेरी रेलेवंट टू दीस करंट मोदी BJP रूल. दुसरें जे कालच्या दिसाक जे आमकां रिप्लाय मेळ्ळें तेच प्रमाणे द टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट एंड द ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट they have failed to get into any digital online payment mode. It दाखयता this shows that one department is into mission total commission and the other department is into चिरीमिरी योजना. वाले चिरीमिरी होते. तिसरे कालच्या दिसाक गोवा युनिवर्सिटी केमिस्ट्री जे लॅब आहले थिंगा सिलींग थिंगा कोसळ्ळें खोकला पडलें. When it collapsed, when the chief minister was speaking about the education department, this shows that there is a complete contrast and collapse in the education sector. आयच्या दिसाक there are reports of the Mercedes जे session court हा जे वयले roof has been blown away. This shows that very soon this government will be blown away. जे आज central government, whatever you said is presenting the budget, let us have a look. Basically, Slave Suvidha, a lot of things were promised, but what is happening on the ground is what we need to see. Today with the, you see in the parliament, with the amount of opposition numbers and members raising their this is how democracy should function. And I believe this is a testing time. We are quite sure that this opposition of the India Alliance, जे पड़े have, will take, led by our leader of opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, we will take this department, जे या सरकाराचेर whatever needs to be shown against the BJP government will be shown.
No,
demand सन्मानाचे problem.
ना कितें रिप्लाय तीन और उलयलो. पूण म्हाका दिसता जे आमगेले प्रश्न आशिल्ले वी वर नॉट सॅटिस्फायड एब्सोल्युटली पॉयंट बाय पॉयंट आमगेले जायत प्रश्न आसले लायफ गार्ड दिश्टी विथ रिगार्ड्स टू बीच क्लिनिंग ऑल दीज इश्यूज वर नॉट हायलायटेड. whatever answers were given is not satisfactory, especially with Sunburn, and we will make sure that this event never sees the day of life.
काल NEP जेन्ना उलयतना स्कूल टायमिंगाचो इश्यू रेज केलो.
स्कूल टायमींग पळय हा मरे तें आज सद्या 5:30 वरां 5:30 वरां आतां फूल डे ट्रेनिंग NEPचे जावपा जाय. आतां पळय सुद्दां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ना, इंटरनेट फेसिलिटी ना, मिड डे मील स्कीम सारकी ना, कांयच सारकें ना. एंड इन स्पायट ऑफ दॅट देर इज अ कन्फ्युजन. दॅट इज वन पार्ट. with regards to the other institute Vidya Age what we काळा विद्या प्रबोधिनी कालच्या दिसा काही 0 आर मेन्शन केले.
पेरेंट्स आणि मॅनेजमेंट कमिटीचे
So that problem has been solved.
No, I'm not
Rohan
taking
sir,
the
problem has
children.
been solved.
So ते garbage
विद्या प्रबोधिनी उलयता आमी सांगता
गाबे-
विद्या प्रबोधिनीची मॅनेजिंग कमिटी आयतारा आपयल्ली आमदार
I ते 0 आर मेन्शन केले गेले
पेरेंट्स
ना.
येवन मेळिल्ले. पेरेंट्स जेन्ना येवन मेळ्ळे तांकां तांची कळ समजून मॅनेजिंग कमिटीक आपयल्ली. मॅनेजिंग कमिटीन बुधवार पर्यंत टायम मागला टू सी वॉट दे कॅन डू. सायमल्टेनियसली पेरेंट्सा कडेन उलयल्ले आसा आमी राजीव
थँक्स
कडेन.
शिफ्ट करपाक शिरीपण आलो ना तुम्ही पहिले.
हो टॉपिक चल्ला पेरेंट्स मॅनेजिंग कमिटी लेट देम फर्स्ट सी हाऊ बेस्ट वी कॅन सॉल्व इट. लेट अस नॉट मेक इट पॉलिटिकल.
But students will not be shifted, sir. Students will be not shifted. No?
फाल्यां पयलें मॅनेजिंग कमिटी तांचे डिस्कशन जावन येयली. वी आर फायंडिंग अ सोल्युशन विदिन
There is no fan there. Building is incomplete. And वास येता. भुरगीं थिंग भायल्यान रोटालीं. I am not politicizing it. I was only wanted to bring it into the dimension of the education minister.
As a leader of opposition, Yuri has all the right to take up issues all over Goa. But in our constituency, I know the things better. Parents have come and met. Managing committee has met. We are trying to resolve that issue amicably.
Resolve कोर मरे मातशें. Fan बी ते साथ चलना थिंगा
Don't
भितर.
be मरे. Don't be मरे. ते बाकीचे issues घेऊन जागे. बाकीचे हे मत पळय मातशें.
So, there was a memorandum given to me by the parents, and yesterday during 0 hour I was supposed to mention it, but it was not taken. Today as well as during 0 hour I will raise it, and I expect the Honorable Education Minister, Chief Minister to reply.
Yuri, your MP raised the question in the parliament regarding the coal and how you
हांवें सांगलो तुमकां आमगेलो जो MP आसतलो he will be high octane आनी he will गोंयचो आवाज हो जो देशाचो आवाज जावपाक जाय. It will be India's voice. It had to be seen, and you can see from the vigor that he's raised. Definitely, I believe he is going to get several other opportunities as well in this session, monsoon session, and you will see him speaking on a lot of issues what other MPs in the past have not spoken.
अनेक इश्यू म्हणजे संकल्प बाब आमचो विरोध असतलो म्हटला कोलाबाग.
कितें?
संकल्प आंबोनकरांनी विरोध असतलो म्हटला कोलाबाग.
तो हूं विरोध आहा रे. तो विरोध आणल्यात दोयले गाण्यात मध्ये दोयले गाण्यात तो ते कोणा ते पयलीं लागपा जाय ते काडले ते सगळे खबर आहा पूण तो ते काय काडपाक सोदना तो इसरोला.
आनी एक कॅप्टनान इशू काडलो सेशनान की 2023 गोंयचो कॅबिनेट मंत्री आहा तेजो एक स्टाफ गोल्ड स्मगलिंगाक आहा तोय विशय तेणे काडलो.
This is a very serious issue, and I believe that it is under investigation. If ministers and all are involved in this sort of activities, it is a very, very serious issue, and we will, whatever we get, I will also speak to him. I didn't get a chance yesterday to speak to him. I will speak to him, we'll take it up.